Go.
Woohoo! Nice.
Woohoo! Way to go, way to go, way to finish.
Welcome to vlog number 21. Thank you guys again for tuning in another week. This is my YouTube channel at Carr BMX. Remember, you can follow me on Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram, all at Carr BMX. Last week's question was, someone wanted a bike check. They wanted to see the inside of my bike. Each one of these bikes, if you bought every part separately, each bike costs at least $2,000. So I'm showing you in on $4,000 pieces of hardware that I like to get on the track and go fast on. In the video this week, it's just a small amount of training because I like to take the time to show you guys in on my bikes. Supercross has been supporting me for the past 2 years now. I do love the product. I've been to the headquarters in California. I've seen the environment. I really do enjoy the Supercross family, and I'm bringing you guys in to check it out.
Take a bigger step, a little bigger. That's it, move to the next one. Hands up high, stay low. Use the hand on the ground. Arms, know what they're doing. Good. Now go. Left leg, left. Pretty good so far. Come on. Carr out front.
So this week's feature on my vlog is a bike check. These are my 2013 Envies. They are identical bikes, and I'm going to bring you in so you can check out the specs. The front part of my bike, we have some Supercross Pro LT handlebars. I have chopped them down to 26 inches. That's just what I prefer, a little more narrow grip. A 53 millimeter front load Supercross stem, also some Supercross forks, and then we got the 20 millimeter through axle. On the front wheel, I have an Alienation rim. My spokes are a 3-cross, and this is a Supercross quick twitch hub. The tire that I'm running is a Maxxis 1.75 tire on the front. Within the middle part of my bike, I do have some click crank arms on here. Also, the gear is a Renin gear. My chain, don't go cheap on the chain. I got a Shimano chain, high quality. Make sure you have a high quality chain. I cannot stress that enough. Then we have Speedline seat clamp, Supercross seat post, Supercross seat. The bottom bracket is a Hawk bottom bracket. In my pedals, I do have road pedals. A lot of people have questions about this. Why am I running road pedals? I like the road pedals because when I clip in, I don't like the float that my foot has, so I prefer the road pedal because when I clip in, my foot stays exactly where I clip in. My crank arms, I am testing out a few things on the white bike. So on this bike, pretty soon I'll be putting on these new Speedline crank arms. Now these are 180 crank arms. I'm doing a little bit of testing on my other bike, and I decided that I do like the 175 crank arms, So you will see me on those speed lines here soon. The bike, I do have a Supercross quick twitch hub on the rear. The engagements are really awesome. Shimano DXR brakes. The rim, again, another Alienation rim with the Maxxis 1.75 tires. The gear that I'm running right now on this bike is a 4416 with 180 crank arms. I know I have a big inseam, so I'm trying something different. On my white bike, I have a 4316 with 175 crank arms. This bike, it is the 4416 with the 180s, and you'll see me in Louisville probably on something a little bit different, but this is to let you in on what I've been running for the past year or so. White bike, so this used to be my race bike, but then I got the yellow one, so this has turned into my practice / testing bike, where I try some different combinations out. Where I put the new Speedline crank arms on here. They are 175s. The gear is a 4316. I'm really enjoying the way it rides, so I might stick with it. It is pretty much identical to the yellow one.
Oh, I got it. No.
No, you don't. No, you don't.